They say a good note-taking app can completely change how you organize your life. Whether you're a student, a creator, a business owner, or someone who just likes to keep things tidy, the right app can make everything easier. And in 2026, one name keeps popping up everywhere: Bear. People online say Bear is clean, fast, aesthetic, distraction-free, and perfect for anyone who likes writing without complications. Others claim it's not just a notes app, but a creative space where ideas stay organized automatically. But the real question is this: is Bear actually better than Evernote and other big tools in 2026? Or is it just hype? Let's break it down. First, what makes Bear different? Bear focuses on simplicity and speed. There are no complicated menus, no heavy features, no slow syncing. You open the app, you write, you organize, and you're done. It's powered heavily by Markdown, which makes formatting ridiculously fast. Bold, italic, headers, lists, you write them naturally as you type. For people who love Markdown, Bear feels like home, and of course, there's the design. Bear is known for being one of the cleanest and most beautiful note-taking apps out there. Custom themes, typography options, and a minimal layout make writing actually feel relaxing. If aesthetic matters to you, Bear has a big advantage. Now, let's talk organization. Instead of folders, Bear works with tags. You can add as many as you want just by typing a hashtag. And you can even organize tags inside tags, creating powerful hierarchies. This lets you keep thousands of notes perfectly sorted without ever touching a traditional folder structure. Syncing across devices is fast and smooth, thanks to Bear's upgraded cloud system, something older versions struggled with. In 2026, its synced is almost instant. Well, what about Evernote? Evernote is still the king of heavy features. It has PDFs, attachments, voice notes, scanners, web clippers, advanced search tools, and a structure that feels more like a digital filing cabinet. If you need an app that stores everything, documents, images, files, long research Evernote is still strong, but here's the problem. Evernote has become slow, bloated, and expensive. Many users say they just want to take quick notes, write ideas, or manage tasks without feeling overwhelmed. And that's where Bear wins. Bear is for writers. Evernote is for collectors. So which one is better in 2026? If you want a fast, elegant, distraction-free space for writing, journaling, studying, outlining videos, organizing projects, or drafting ideas, Bear is simply better. It's smoother. It's cleaner. It's more comfortable. But if your work depends on storing big files, managing attachments, scanning documents, or organizing complex research, Evernote still covers areas Bear doesn't. Let's talk limitations. Bear is only available on Apple devices, iPhone, iPad, and Mac. If you use Android or Windows, Bear is not an option, and Evernote wins automatically. Also, Bear cannot replace a document scanner, a full research library, or a productivity dashboard. But for pure writing and note-taking, Bear is one of the most pleasant apps you can use in 2026. So here's my verdict. Bear is the best choice if you want a simple, beautiful, fast, and creative note-taking experience, especially if you love Markdown. Evernote is the better choice if you need a powerful all-in-one system for storing documents and large projects. Both apps are useful. But what you choose depends on how you think, how you work, and how you take notes. If this review helped you, decide which app fits your workflow in 2026. Make sure to like, comment, or share so more people can pick the right tool. Stay organized, stay focused, and keep your ideas flowing.